Today we're going to learn how to make a tripwire alarm for either bears or animals if you go camping or hiking and you want to feel safe at night. And it's a very simple concept. You put some stuff in cans, you tie them all together, you use some material to put them inside the cans, and when the animal trips the wire, these cans will shake. I'm going to show you how to do that. Very simple to do. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to put a hole on every side of your cans. You put one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here, because you're going to take this rope and you're going to slide it all the way through these cans and create what's called a daisy chain. Now what's important to remember is you do not want to destroy the tip of your knife. So some knives do have on the other side the window breaker, and maybe you can press it through the can, but if you have to and you have no other choice, just be careful when using the tip of your knife not to destroy your knife. When you cut your can and put the hole through the can, make sure you put your hand on top and not on the side, because obviously it's going to cut all the way through. So put it on top, poke a hole through it, and you kind of want to make your hole just by wiggling your knife back and forth. Be careful not to break the tip, and you'll get a hole just like that. I forgot to mention, you want to make sure the main hole your string or rope is going through is at the top, on both sides, on all of the cans. And the reason for that is if you put your rope too low, the can's just going to flip over when you hang it up, and all of that material is going to flip out. And so the reason why some people put the second hole on the bottom, according to survival experts, they like to have that bottom hole so that the sound can amplify out the sides as well. But who knows, I just put 4 holes in this just to see how it works. Next thing you want to do is take your rope, put it through the top of all of the cans so that we can hang it up and put our material inside of the cans. Now that we have all of our cans tied through, here's our anchor point, here's where the end of our rope's going to be. Let's go hang it up on a tree. Once you get your cans tied up at the height you want, attached from one tree to the other, you want to make sure you space out all of your cans so that you can get the maximum effect of the alarm. I put my material in after I hang up my cans so that they don't fall over when I'm trying to string up my cans. And again, you want to make sure your material is nice and loose, just like these sticks. Just get them all in there. Once all of our material is set, let's see if the dog wants to try getting through that tripwire. I don't think he will because he knows it's going to go off. Just like this. Just like that. You got yourself an alarm tripwire to make sure you're safe from the bears, or make sure you're safe from your dog.